In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SVG in Affinity Designer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, scalable SVG file ready to use on the web, in presentations, or in other design tools. An SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics file, is ideal because it stays crisp at any size and typically has a small file size compared to raster images. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and make sure the artwork you want to export is visible on the canvas. It helps to double check that your shapes, curves, and text look the way you want, since whatever you see here is what will be exported. If you've used effects or placed images, just be aware that SVG works best with pure vector elements. Next, look toward the top right of the interface and click the Export button. This opens the Export panel or dialog where you'll choose the format and confirm the final settings. You'll see a list of formats available. Select SVG from that list. Choosing SVG tells Affinity Designer to keep your design as resolution-independent vectors, which is perfect for logos, icons, and UI elements. In the SVG export options, you may notice a few settings such as presets, styling, or precision controls. If you're not sure what to change, the default options typically work well for most general uses. Keeping defaults helps ensure compatibility across browsers and design apps. If your design contains text, remember that some workflows prefer text as curves for consistency, while others keep it as text for editability. Defaults are fine if you're unsure. Once you've selected SVG, go ahead and click Export. This confirms your format choice and brings up your system's file save window. Now, choose where you want the file to live on your computer. Selecting a clear directory makes it easier to find and reuse the asset later. Consider saving it in a dedicated folder for your project's graphics, so everything stays organized. Before finalizing, give your file a descriptive name. A clear name makes it easy to identify in code repositories, design libraries, or shared drives. Avoid special characters that might cause issues on certain systems or when used on the web. Finally, click Save. Affinity Designer will create the SVG at the location you selected. That's it. Your vector graphic is ready to go. If you'd like, you can quickly preview the result by opening it in a web browser or dragging it into a new document to confirm everything looks correct. You now have a scalable, professional SVG exported from Affinity Designer and ready for your next project.